Now, I now extra problems in potential. Okay. 2019 June CSA. A particle moves in 1D in the potential V of x is equal to k x power 4 at time t is equal to 0. The particle starts from rest at x is equal to a for a bounded motion. The time period of its motion is I will explain. The particle moves in a 1D box in the potential V of x is equal to k x power 4 at a time t is equal to 0. The particle starts from rest at x is equal to a. This is important. X is equal to a. For a bounded motion, find the time period of its motion. Okay. Now first V of x is equal to k x power 4. Now n is equal to what? 4. T proportional to e power 1 by n minus half. T proportional to e power 1 by 4 minus half. Okay. T proportional to e power 2 minus 4 by 8. T proportional to e power minus 1 by 4. Now x is equal to a. Already I told you. E proportional to a power n means V of x proportional to k x power 4 means n is equal to 4 means E is equal to E proportional to a power 4. Now T proportional to E means what? A power 4 whole 4 minus 4 whole 4 minus 1 by 4 cancel. T proportional to a power minus half. T proportional to a power minus half. This is the answer. Okay. Next V of x comma y is equal to 3 x cube plus 3 x square y. Find the average potential energy. Mean according to viral theorem, n by 2 expectation of potential T is equal to n by 2 expectation of potential energy. Here this is the homogeneous. X is x power 3 x square 2 x square and y power 1 total 3 means it is a homogeneous. Okay, means n is equal to what? N is equal to 3. T is equal to 3 by 2 expectation of potential. Okay, are you understand or not? V of x comma y is equal to 3x cube plus 3x square y. Here it is a homogeneous. Exponential powers is same. X is equal to 3. This is also 2 plus 1 3. N is equal to 3. It is homogeneous. From viral theorem, n by 2 expectation of V. T is equal to 3 by 2 V. Total energy what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, potential energy, kinetic energy what, 3 by 2 V plus V is equal to 5 by 2 expectation of or average value of potential. Okay, we want average potential is equal to 2E by 5. 2E by 5. I will give another method also. For example, V of x is equal to 4. Find the average potential energy, kinetic energy, something, total energy. V of, from Euler theorem, n by 2 average potential energy. N value what? N value 4. N is equal to what? 4. T is equal to 4 by 2 average potential energy. 2 cancel. T is equal to 2V. Okay, total energy what? Total energy is equal to what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. 2V plus V is equal to 3 into average potential energy. Average potential energy is equal to E by 3. Okay, complete.